Hi guys, dito kami ngayon sa Watsons. Nagla-last minute buying.
Hi guys!
Last minute buying for Korea later. Hey guys, naligo na ako and nag-curl na ako kagabi. Kasi mas maganda yung bagsak ng kulot pag overnight ko siya stinay. So yeah, ito yung pinalabasan niya.
Isa pong sea salt latte.
I got my coffee for the day from Pickup Coffee. Magbe-breakfast na rin ako and siguro magpapahinga muna ng onte and magbibihis na rin. Shake, 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 shake. Vlog update! Bibili lang kami ng sa snack namin kasi we're super hungry. I ordered truck burger and chicken bites. It's already 6:32 and we're inside the airplane. In a while, mag-depart na yung plane namin. Guys, nasasad ako. Kasi yung AirPods ko, hindi ko alam if naiwan ko ba siya sa kondo or nawawala siya. Pero I'm borrowing Zoe's AirPods. Anyways, I'll see you in Korea. Say bye. Say bye.
Can we buy mix?
Sure, bigay. Roll. Ha? Ano na?
Okay guys, good night. See you tomorrow.
Good morning, guys! Today is our official first day here in Seoul and we're just getting ready. Kasama ko sa room si Mommy and si Zoe. Doing makeup.
It's okay.
Okay na to. Okay na to. Hindi nakakalatina. Hi guys! So, update after kumain. Nandito na kami sa boat. And we're going to
Nami Island.
We're going to Nami Island. Yung family ko. Transition. Transition to Nami Island. After a 5 to 10 minute boat ride, dito na kami. Ganito.
What?
Ice cream time for the kids.
What the Sigma? The Sigma.
Hi guys, pagod na kami. Hindi pa namin nahanap yung spot na gusto namin.
May joking mo mo. Wait lang. May nakikita.
Pagod ka na?
O, tingnan mo. It's gonna kill me someday. At sinaalala mo? Gana ako may picture.
Skylab po na si Skylab.
Yan baga yung niluluto.
Masarap siya. Burger gusto mo pa?
My spotted na sweet couple.
So sweet. Hey guys, good morning! Today is day 2 of our Korea trip. It's currently around 8:10 a.m. and kailangan namin ni Zoe matapos mag-ready by before 9 a.m. kasi nauna na yung mga kapatid ko and my parents sa breakfast area. And 9:30 magsa-start yung tour namin for today. So yeah, let's get ready! Hey guys, we're here at Namsan Cable Car. That's our first stop for today. This is Seoul, but today's foggy. This is Seoul.
I was here. Wala tong boyfriend. Nakataas mo yung pa kahit di man kita.
Okay guys, so we're here at Namsan Seoul Tower and we're gonna do our fit check. Mine is from Shein, Zara, Puma Speed Cut, color brown, and Marc Jacobs bag.
안녕하세요. Shein, Uniqlo, Shein, and Sambas with my bag. Shein, Golden Goose.
Uniqlo, Adidas.
Uniqlo, Archie's Closet, H&M, Vomero. Hindi ko alam kung saan ito galing natin. Sabihin mo kay Sarigel.
Hindi ko rin alam. Uniqlo.
Sol's Closet.
My hoodie is came from Uniqlo and my cap is from Nike. La polo shirt is Lacoste. Of course, my jeans, my favorite, Diesel. My shoes, also Lacoste. Sock is from Nike. My brief is Calvin Klein.
Kimbap. Hey guys! So we're wearing their traditional hanbok. This is for experience. Fit check! The king!
삼가주시기 바랍니다. 여러분의 협조 부탁드립니다.
What's your name?
Sophia.
Sophia. Sophia. Thank you.
Want me to sit? Ice Americano. This is to make me awake. Gawin niya panlaban.
Bigyan mo si Mami Wawa. Jesse, ganito.
Ano na yung episode?
Bukas.
Hey guys! We're currently exploring Insadong area.
1, 2, 4, and 8, 60.
Good morning everyone! So today is our day 3 of our Korea trip. We're just having breakfast. We're having the same hairstyle, pero yung sa kanya straight hair and yung sa akin curly hair. I'm also with my cousin and grandma.
Hi, baby ko.
Okay guys, happy breakfast. I'll see you later.
Ano paano to? Ang pancit canton masarap pag sinasabaw.
Thank you.
Unang tulo.
Ada niya gusto. Morning guys! So today is our last day here in Korea. Our agenda for today is
Simba.
we're going to Myeongdong Cathedral for the 9 a.m. church because that's gonna be English. And then sa hapon, we're gonna go sa Myeongdong Street, Myeongdong Market. We're just waiting for the elevator. Hey guys! So nandito kami ngayon sa Myeongdong Night Market. Pero nandito na kami may araw pa. Kasi 5 p.m. nag-start ata yung mga store.
Ano oras nag-end?
11. Shopping time.
Ng bike mo.
Pinakamahabang cheese na pinagadoy. That's perfect. That's
Lollipop.
Saan sila, mami?
Go.
Mewing. Parang may kalasa siya.
Welcome back to the Philippines. Okay guys, update. Hindi na ako masyado nakapag-vlog kasi pagod na sa airport and sobrang antok kanina kasi 1 hour lang kami natulog. Tapos
Ako din natulog.
4:30 na sa airport na kami sa Korea and ayun, dire-diretso na yung pagod and yung biyahe. So update, it's currently 1:27 pala. And biyahe na kami pauwi Daraga. See you, Bicol! Hi, guys! Finally! After 3 months, nakita ko na ulit siya. Are you happy, my son? Are you happy that mommy is here? Dito na ako dumiretso after namin mag-Korea kasi why not? I miss home. Anyways, I'm so tired. We are so tired. Magpapahinga na kami. And I'll see you guys again on my next vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this Korea vlog. Promise, super trinay ko talaga mag-film ng ganap namin sa Korea. And I hope you like it. Bye!